Top 5 Best Portable Bed and Mattresses. Number 5. Linon Luxor Rollaway Bed. Lastly, we recommend the cot-sized rollaway bed by Linon Luxor. There are some occasions where a friend plans to stay over after partying till the wee hours of the morning. Or other times when you invite friends over to stay overnight for 4 a.m. camping the next day. The cot bed is the perfect rollaway bed for such spontaneous occasions. This cot bed is designed for a single sleeper and measures a comfortable 79 inches in length and is 31 inches wide, good enough for tall folks. Once you fold it, the clamshell design with buckle keeps it securely folded and ready to store away. Furthermore, since the portable bed is made of a combination of wooden slats and steel, it lasts much longer than regular cot beds. What we liked. We liked that it was a perfect option for one person to sleep in comfortably. The foam mattress which comes with it is 4 inches thick and folds along with the bed snugly. It has additional features like wheels to roll the folded bed in closets and corners of the room. Coming in number 4. Milliard Rollaway Folding Bed. The following recommendation we have is this stable and sturdy full metal bed by Milliard. The base of the bed has a wire lattice structure which ensures stability after the mattress is placed. It shuts with a unique clamshell folding pattern and closes securely with adjustable buckles. The benefit of this is that you can fold the bed along with the mattress and store it away without hassle. Moreover, assembling it doesn't take much time. You can check out the manual in case of confusion about setting it up. Also, it comes with a memory foam mattress which is pretty comfortable to sleep on. What we liked. The twin-sized bed is comfortable enough to sleep on for many nights. And when you fold it, the width is relatively small, at around 14 inches. Then it's easy to slide in towards storage areas. To add to that, this bed can easily handle a body weight of over 300 pounds. Downside. This portable bed is budget-friendly. But it is not as comfortable if you need to use it for a long time. The mattress is a simple foam one, but it is on the thinner side. It is also prone to bending if not stored properly and overused for years. Coming in number 3. Amazon Basics Foldable Bed. One of the most reasonable options is the Amazon Basics bed, which is popular for infrequent use as an extra bed for guests. It has a frame made of steel and painted black all around. This bed comes in 6 sizes, and you can make a selection based on how much space is available in your room. Twin, Twin XL, Full, and Queen sizes are the standard ones that can fit in smaller areas. The King and Superior King sizes are on the larger side but still manage to be light in weight. Even in twin size, there are 2 height options, one is 14 inch above the ground, and the other is 18 inches. They have included this option to make the bed comfortable for all age groups. What we liked. This is a cheaper option for those of you who want to keep an emergency bed for surprise guests. It has a high rating on online platforms. Reviewers loved that it didn't need any tools to set up. Also, you get an adequate amount of storage beneath the bed where guests can keep their bags and belongings. Downside. The bed weighs only 26 pounds and can be moved around easily, but we found one design flaw in this option. It has sharp edges on top of the vertical supporting rods, which can create a tear in the mattress. Also, it would have been better if it would come with a mattress. Coming in number 2. D&D Japanese Futon Mattress. This futon mattress is easy to roll and store away from the bedroom or living room. It is made of cotton, polyester, and some amount of foam for stability. Along with that, this option is thin and light, which rolls up just like a sleeping bag. The straps are convenient for keeping the rolled mattress from opening. What we liked. This mattress is light enough to carry outdoors for traveling or camping. It takes up very little space in the closet, especially when compared to mattresses with bed frames. Downside. Even though it is soft, it might not be thick enough for some people. Since it is placed on the floors, it's not ideal for winters. So, an additional mattress pad might be required. Coming in number 1. Better Habitat Memory Foam Mattress. This is a great option for frequent use over the year. It has a thick memory foam pad that can be laid out on the floor or a bed frame. Also, this rollout mattress comes in 3 sizes: twin, single, and kids. It is thick enough to sleep in throughout the night comfortably. Additionally, you can carry it for an outdoor picnic or camping trip. What we liked: its protective cover keeps dust and allergens in check and can be machine washed and air dried before returning it to cover the mattress. Moreover, it is firm enough to protect your back from any aches. Downside: this mattress needs Velcro or straps to keep it in place after folding. It would have been nice if this was provided free of cost by the brand. Also, storing for a long time may result in a change of shape over time.